Hello guys, welcome back to yet another lesson. And in today's video, what I want us to get to look into, today's Tuesday as I'm recording this video, and it happened I took a trade, but unfortunately something which normally so many traders normally experience. I'll be showing you what is this that I'm talking about and how you can avoid happening it to you, and of course the right approach for you to take. But before we get into that, if you're new to the channel, I'll just request you to just go ahead and make sure you hit the subscribe button so that you'll be part of this team, and we can get to grow as a team, and of course you end up having a new skill. So for this case, my technical analysis was amazing, but unfortunately where I got to place my stop loss, the market just came for me, just closed my trade, and of course it continued to go according to my analysis. So here's the thing, just allow me to just head to my trading view so that to get to show you how the market gets to exit you into that trade with just a week, and then it proceeds to unfold according to your direction. So let me just open my trading view. And for this case, for the people who have been making follow-up on this channel, you do understand I normally just trade one currency pair, one setup, and of course I normally try as much as possible to stick with one session, which is morning hours, which is mostly London session. So here's the thing. So open your trading your trade view. I just opened my trade view, and sorry for that. So it happened in the morning. I did my analysis from 4 hours time frame. Let me just open my 4 hours time frame to show you exactly how I did my analysis. And here's the thing, I started when I came to my office, it was around 7:30, and I realized the market was around this region. You can see 7:30, it was around this area right here. And if you can see from 4 hours time frame, the market is still on a downtrend, but unfortunately at that time the market had not broken into this zone. So what I did, I just went ahead, drew this zone for the 4 hours time frame. Remember, it's very, very important for you to know how to draw these zones. They act as support as well as the resistance, and it's very, very important for you to take note of these zones, because they really affect how the market gets to react. So for this case, you can see the market really struggled to break this area right here for the first time. Not necessarily the first time. If you get to come back here, you can see whenever the market had a huge challenge crossing this area, and once it got to come to this upper side, it just left some wicks on the lower side before unfolding upwards. So if you get to that is to get to squeeze these like that, so that you can get to see exactly what I'm talking about. You can see this zone right here, the market had a hard time breaking, and of course you can see this is not the first time it has left some wicks that is on these other on the lower side. So when the market got to this place, after drawing that zone, I narrowed down to 1 hour time frame so that I can get to see exactly what is really happening. So if I happen to draw this trend line, I'm a guy who normally use trend line as one of my confidence as it comes to trading. You can see the market got to touch this place second time, and of course the third time, and of course the fourth time it got to break. So if you can get to see, that was around Asian that is Tokyo session, morning hours, early in the morning. So as I got to the office, that is around 7:30, you can see it was around here, I saw the market reacting into this zone. After I got to break this to draw this zone, we also had a psychological level right there. So I knew the market was about to have some challenge breaking on the lower side, and it had to retest back to this zone right here before unfolding downwards. So what I did, I went to 15 minutes time frame, and this is exactly what I did. I placed my stop loss around here. Let me just for long position, it was around here. So sorry for that. So I placed my stop loss around there. I guess I was very tight when it comes to placing my stop loss. So let me just delete this one. That's a move I just got. So I just targeted my trade to be around there, you can see. But unfortunately, after the market got to go to my direction for a while, it happened the market got to drop this long wick right here. it was it was just retesting for this trend line right here. You can see, unfortunately, my analysis was right, but they just came for me. Unfortunately, exited my trade, hit my stop loss, and of course the market continued to go upward. But here's the thing, I knew the market was just retesting to this zone before unfolding, so I got to draw this trend line right here. You can see this is touch 1, touch 2, and of course we have touch 3 right there. And then I was anticipating the fourth touch. If the market was really the sellers had really come on board, I was anticipating the market was to continue to unfold downwards, since we are looking more of that is, we were looking for more selling opportunity for the day and for this entire week. So for that case, guys, this is what really happened. So after I got to see this, I knew this was a time for me to recover back my loss, which I lost here. So I just went ahead, took a short position, and of course targeted back to my that psychological level, and this is exactly what I did. And for that case, you can see after that engulfing candle right there and breaking the trend line, that's when I went in, and for that case I caught a very nice 2:1 risk to that is reward to risk reward ratio. So this is something that really happens over and over, and it's very, very important for you to be to make sure you get to look it in more into details. But sometimes it do happen, but it's very, very painful, especially if you had a very good analysis, and of course you are very, very confident with it, and then it happens to do something like this. It's really, really painful, but it's part of the journey with this market. It's part of the journey, and you just need to be a bit easy on yourself, and of course have that long-term mentality. So that's how you can get to really suffer some market loss, even if your analysis was right and your stop loss was a bit tight. So for that case, I normally prefer on average to have at least a 20. I normally stretch a bit to have at least a 20 pip stop loss. It really works. I've seen it work very nice, but sometimes you do understand you might find yourself struggling with psychology sometimes, because you're in a drawdown, you want to recover. That would be something that you really, really need to consider when it comes to placing your stop loss. So that's how you can get to tackle that. But remember, as much as you get to have confidence, these things won't happen before. Sometimes they do happen, and sometimes you just need to bear with the market, and of course get to look forward to another fighting day. So that's it for today, guys. In case you need any clarity on how you can get to do analysis when it comes to this market, do subscribe, and of course be part of this team, so that each and every time I get to share my experiences with the market, you get to learn something. That's it, and of course I'll be looking forward to seeing you in our next one. Peace.